Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sang by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to
Radio Robin predstavlja 12 prazničnih dni v živo iz pravlične vasi v Novi Gorici. Radio Robin, uradni božični radio za Goriško.